On Friday morning, GECOM'S Region 4 returning officer Clairmont Mingo was slapped with another charge in relation to electoral fraud, this time being jointly charged with Chairperson of the People's National Congress Reform, Volda Lawrence. They both appeared at the Georgetown Magistrates Court to answer to the charge. Clairmont Mingo, who had recently been released on $600,000 bail on 4 charges in relation to electoral fraud, allegedly perpetuated at the 2020 general and regional elections, was not required to plead to the indictable charge, but was released on self-bail, however. Speaking with members of the media outside the Magistrates Court, Ms. Lawrence shared what constituted the charge.
Just to paraphrase, there's an allegation that I presented Mr. Mingo with a document.
Ms. Lawrence further described the charges as a waste of taxpayers' money and her time.
Not a waste of taxpayers' money and my time. The prosecutors are not ready. They claim that they have several other pieces of evidence which they're putting together.
The case has been adjourned to November 16 to allow the prosecutors more time to gather additional evidence.
And so we have been asked to come back on the 16th of November. The 16th of November. My lawyer has argued that they set a longer date so that the prosecutor will have the time to gather all of the evidence so that when we come back, he can present those pieces of evidence to the court so we can move on with this matter.
On the 24th of August 2020, the PNCR chairperson was placed on $100,000 bail in relation to private criminal charges filed against her for fraudulent election declaration on March 5. The charge was filed against the duo by current Minister of Culture, Youth and Sport, Charles Ramson Jr. He is being represented by attorney at law Glenn Hanuman. Wendell Badrie for the HGP Nightly News.